Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. In this video, I'm showing you how I got this half up, half down crochet look. Super cute. If you want to learn how, just keep on watching. Okay, of course, you'll be needing some crochet hair. I am using the Lulutress hair for this look. A pair of scissors. You're going to need a crochet needle, makes sense, and also some clips or hair ties. And this is the braiding pattern I decided to go with, kind of create like a whole round circle situation. Didn't really have like a true technical technique. It's just what worked for me. And I just left some of my hair up top because we're going to be doing the bun up top, of course. Okay, so hopefully I can explain all this properly. So basically, to crochet the hair in, you open the latch like I just showed. You want to make sure that the pieces of crochet hair are at least 2 fingers apart. This is always my mistake, or the first time I did it, they were way too close and it was way more fuller than it needed to be. You want to slide the needle through with the open latch, and once that is done, you want to take your piece of hair, attach it into the hook, close the latch, and slide it right through, just like so. Take the hair, open it up, take the other 2 ends, pull it through, and that's how you're gonna knot it, if that makes sense. But of course you have the visual, so it helps. And that's basically that. So I'm basically just doing that over and over again and just making sure that I space them all out, because crochet hair can get really full and really thick real quick. You don't need a lot, especially when it comes to the bottom. If anything, more so focus on the top of them being closer. When I feel you, 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 when I feel you. Okay, and this is how one row looks complete, and then I did a bit more off camera, and this is how a few more rows looks complete. So see, we're getting there. Like, look how full that is, and we're not even halfway yet. This is why you need to really space them out. I actually didn't space it out enough, honestly, but I'm just gonna continue the process. Okay, your girl's back. We got more hair on our head top, but as you can see, lighting is different, if you could tell anyways, because I ran out of hair and I was so upset. Like, as you can see, I only had 2 rows left, like literally those 2 rows, and your girl ran out of hair. So I needed to literally leave to go to the store to get more hair to come back. And I'm just continuing the process. I was just so mad because this cut into my time. This is actually such a quick hairstyle, but it took longer because your girl didn't have enough hair. So I got basically another pack of hair, which was a 3-pack to complete the look. Okay, and when it comes to the very last row that I need to do, I'm taking crochet hair, taking 1 strand from that, and I split it in half, because when you make it more fine, in a sense, this is how you kind of create the whole invisible method. I can't remember the actual terminology of what that is called, but it's just better to camouflage everything more seamlessly. So I'm just doing thinner pieces of hair, and this time I'm making them like go right beside each other. There's no 2-finger gap. It's more like half a finger or less, and just putting it back to back to back. And yeah. Okay, so I completed the lower half of my hair. She's looking quite fluffy, quite full. That is all complete, finito. Okay, let me stop. And basically now we're just going to focus on our top knot parts. I did decide to blow dry my hair. At the beginning of the video it wasn't blow dried, but I decided to stretch it out. To slick my edges down, I am using Vanilla Snot. I also use a little bit of the Got To Be freeze spray as well. I know that stuff is quite damaging, but I swear my edges are fine. But yeah, I basically just use that to slick up my hair in a ponytail, and I'm just gonna tie that up and put it in a bun. And of course, just doing my baby hairs. My baby hairs, like, I'm decent at doing them. I wouldn't call myself some crazy baby hair slick person. Plus, my baby hairs are very, very stubborn. So as you're going to see, I'm gonna have to put like a headband on, because I have the type of hair where I have to slick my edges and I gotta press them down right away. I can't, slick no edges and go out the door. I wish, but that's just not me. Okay, so now for the top knot part. For the crochet hair, I basically took a bundle that it came with in the pack, so a full bundle of that, and I basically put a elastic band in the center of it, and I'm just going to take my real hair and make a bun. Try to get the bun as small as you can or as low as you can. It's more helpful that way in order to cover your real hair better. And then I'm literally just going to take that hair tie from the crochet bundle and just wrap it around my bun almost as though it's a ponytail, and then wrap the rest of the hair around. I am brushing it out because I didn't want such perfect curls, or I kind of wanted a bit of a messy effect and just some more volume. So I did brush it out, and I'm just here trying to play around with it, trying to get the perfect bun, and then I'm bobby pinning it in place as well. Almost done, but of course make this look a little bit more realistic and just to shape it better, I did decide to trim the hair. I didn't want it super long anyways, so I kind of just gave it some layers, shaped the hair, shaped it maybe better to my face as well, made some parts shorter. So I'm just kind of going through the layers. When I was watching this back, I realized I could have trimmed like the very ends, like the longest point, even more. Eventually when I had the style though, like I trimmed more and more as I had the style on, but yeah, I'm just giving myself a little good trim. Okay, after the trim, I'm just taking a pick and also just fluffing out the curls. Like I said, I didn't want this to look super perfect and clean. I just wanted a little bit more of just a wild, frizzy hairball mess. But yeah, I'm just giving it more volume and just kind of shaping it even more in a sense. And we're done. That is the look. That's my half up, half down top knot curly crochet situation. This look was super easy and quick to do. I loved it so much. It was really cute. I did record this a while ago, so the style did last me, or I made it last me a month. So I highly suggest it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.